Let's tear off the lid and dive into some packaging snippets. All right, it's time for the final tip today to help you design packaging that carries your brand. Last time we started talking about customer experience and how your packaging interacts with the product. Today's tip is all about how your packaging interacts with the customer. How they open it, how they use it, how they refill it. The first part of this is opening, the great unboxing moment. What do customers have to do to open it up? Are there tabs to unlock, tape to cut through, a cap to unscrew, something to tear off or unzip? Think about things like Apple's packaging for iPhones. Everybody that owns an iPhone knows that feeling of the suction that's created when you open one of their setup boxes. It's like a drum roll that demonstrates the smoothness and the precision of the product itself. Beyond the initial opening moment, many products depend on packaging interaction for each use, especially liquid. How does a beverage container feel to hold and drink out of? And what about the pump on a hand soap bottle? Is it solid and smooth, conveying that quality, or is it really jerky and cheap feeling, like you're gonna break it every time you use it? Packaging reuse can be a part of this. If customers are refilling or repurposing your packaging, they will interact with it multiple times. Does it snap back together and seal up tight? Does it have extra functionality beyond its original purpose? This is all a huge opportunity for brands to show their colors and their personality through thoughtful structural design. So those are our 5 tips for using your packaging structure to carry your brand. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you need help with executing these, send us a message at fuseneo.com and subscribe and like. Thanks.